In the fertile crescent of ancient Mesopotamia, within the bustling city of Ur, a humble scribe named Kisir-Ascud took his place at the clay table. The year was 2600 BCE, and the air was thick with the scent of cedar and the buzz of activity. The city of Ur was a thriving center of culture, commerce, and theological knowledge. Kisir-Ascud, a diligent and curious man, was tasked with the meticulous art of cuneiform writing. His day was filled with inscribing the decrees of the king, recording business transactions, and documenting historical events. One day, as he sifted through the dusty archives, Kisir-Ascud stumbled upon a curious artifact. It was an unassuming clay tablet, weathered and worn, but unlike any he had ever seen before. With a sense of excitement, he began to examine the tablet more closely. The symbols etched into its surface were unlike any he had encountered in his years of scribal work. He recognized some, but many were foreign to him. Days turned into weeks as Kisir-Ascud dedicated himself to deciphering the mysterious tablet. He worked tirelessly, his hands stained with ink, his mind filled with the riddles of the ancient script. Finally, after much toil and thought, he made a breakthrough. The tablet was a historical record, detailing the reign of a king long forgotten. It told tales of battles won, treaties signed, and cities built. Word of Kisir-Ascud's discovery spread throughout the city. Scholars and scholars flocked to Ur to see the ancient tablet for themselves. The knowledge it contained was a treasure trove, shedding light on the forgotten past of their civilization. The tablet, now known as the Wamad-Hargurich text, is still studied today. It provides invaluable insights into the history of Mesopotamia, offering a glimpse into the lives and times of the people who wrote it over 4,000 years ago. Kisir-Ascud's discovery not only enriched the historical record but also solidified his reputation as a scholar. His diligence and curiosity had unearthed a piece of the past, forever changing our understanding of ancient Mesopotamia. And so, the story of the Sumerian scribe and his discovery serves as a reminder of the power of curiosity, the value of historical records, and the enduring legacy of the ancient civilizations of Mesopotamia.